I'm Amber Messamore.
My name is Nick Martinez.
Jamie Gack.
My name is Tyler Layton.
I'm Sean Theris.
Carmen Estefano.
Doug Larson.
Gene Etzel.
John Babini.
Hi, I'm Jeff Slater.
I'm Rob Harold.
I'm Brian Lober.
My name is Jim.
Keith Bozarth.
Perry Avery from the Maryland store. Hi, Tom Lucier from the Maryland store.
Aaron Von Golan, U.S. Coast Guard. John Burnham, U.S. Navy.
Fred Moore, U.S. Navy.
Bob Valecki, U.S. Army.
United States Navy.
Ross Kramer.
Hi, I'm Richard Hunter.
Veterans Day is a very important American holiday. Veterans have fought and died to protect our freedoms that we enjoy every single day.
Veterans Day means to me is the coming together of everyone that has served.
It's a day that we honor those who sacrificed for this country. We also celebrate them.
It's a way to honor your country.
And we should also remember all the veterans today that are working now to maintain the greatness of this country.
Take some time, support all those men and women who have taken the oath and served in the military.
I chose to serve due to 9/11. When I saw the first plane hit the tower, I knew that I had a call to duty.
To me, Veterans Day is a day to remember the brotherhood and sisterhood between us veterans.
Just want to say thank you to all the veterans and all the people in the armed forces.
We take the time to honor all of our brothers and sisters who have taken the time out of their lives to help serve this country to make it what it is today.
This is a shout out to all the brothers in arms. Happy Veterans Day.
Veterans Day means to me, we should stand up for this country. This country is everything to us.
But Veterans Day is the day we honor everyone who has served the armed forces. Go Army! Go Navy!
To honor and remember those of us who've served, those who continue to serve, and those who will serve after us.
To reflect and honor on those who've given their life and those that serve for our freedom. And I hope everybody takes a few moments, and I hope everybody thanks a veteran if they know one.
To reflect on and to honor the countless men and women who have given extraordinary sacrifices in the armed forces so we can enjoy the freedoms that we have today.
Freedom to me gave me an opportunity to serve and safeguard and perpetuate our way of life, both domestically and abroad.
On behalf of our MarineMax team, I'd like to wish everyone a happy Veterans Day. And to our veterans, we're thinking of you and thanking you for your service and your sacrifice. We salute you.
Together we all united.
And together we are all united.
Together, we are all united.
Together we all stand united.
Together we are all united.
Together, we are all united.
Together, we are all united.